I'm probably so disgusting, but and awkward. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's your first-ish hair tutorial, so what do people expect from me, you know? Like, let's just have a therapy session, guys. Alright.
Ouch! Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm gonna go one more time if that intro was disgusting. Let's see what my face looks like. Hey, what's up, Shay Monique gang, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because if you aren't here, then like, why are you here? So today I'm going to be showing you how I got these voluptuous curls. So if you want to see how I got them, just make sure that you keep on watching. So we're off to a great start. I recorded myself washing my hair for you guys, but for some reason it's not on the camera anymore and I can't find it. So yeah, that's that. You're not gonna get that footage, but so ha guys, I found the footage. So here it is. This is me washing my hair and wetting it. This is me putting in shampoo, a lot of it. And my camera started to get really foggy because the water was hot and I'm freaking dumb. So enjoy these blurry clips. That's it for today, guys. So, okay. Well, I have all my products in this Forever 21 bag. What do I do? How do I even do my hair? I'm forgetting everything right now. This water bottle. So, I start off by taking my hair out of the shirt. And this is what it looks like just washed. We look a mess, I know. And then I'm going to section it into 4 sections. That's my boyfriend. Just gonna put in some little ugly tails, you know? Real cute. But you're in my video. Blocking my shot, bro. Hey, come here. Come here. You're never gonna get in the shower. He just wants to be in my video, guys. He wants to be famous.
Hey, I want to be famous.
So now that I have my hair into 4 sections, like so, I'm gonna go in with my products section by section. I'm gonna start off by taking this water bottle. And I'm going to spritz it on my hair because I've had my hair up for a while, so it got a little dry. You always want to make sure your hair is fairly wet when you start to style it. So I wet it a good amount. And now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to lightly brush through my hair to detangle it. Make sure you get your ends. Now I'm going in with my detangler I don't usually use detangler, but I got this because I wanted to use it as a leave-in conditioner, but it was very crappy as a leave-in conditioner, so now I'm just using it as a detangler because I think that's what it's supposed to be. And it's Cream of Nature Not Away Leave-In Detangler. Looks new. Oh wait, it says new. Yeah, so it's new. Getting so stuck in the bottle is driving me nuts. I keep having to get the freaking product out, and there's a lot in here. I just got it. Jesus Christ. So now I got a generous amount on my hand like so. And I'm gonna rub that in my hair. Smells like a specific smell in my lifetime. Since this is a detangler and a very leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna be putting leave-in conditioner in my hair right after this. It smells good and it's doing a really good job at detangling my hair. So I guess it's good. Brush it a little bit more because finger oh my god. Finger detangling is not always my best friend, so sometimes I finger detangle like I'm doing right now. Bounce, bounce. Yeah, that's good. I have really, okay, not all, freaking god, this is a mess. I have blonde hair, as you guys can see. Looks frizzy sometimes, so sometimes I gotta do a little extra to take care of it. It doesn't look as defined if my hair was like,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
like if my hair was dark, you know? So sometimes I gotta re-wet it when it's looking a little frizz-magiz after I've already put product in to like kind of let the water soak up the product, if that makes any sense. Okay guys, that hurt. What? Anyways, I didn't have enough storage on the SD card that was inside of the camera already. Kept recording myself doing steps and it wasn't getting it. So now I have a new SD card. So we're about to see if this one works and finish recording the video because your girl almost gave up on trying to do the right thing. So let's finish this. And I'm gonna check the camera right now. Still recording, we're still in business, okay? Now we're moving on to leave-in conditioner. I already put tons of leave-in conditioner in my hair, so that's great. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what I put in my hair. It's Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner that I stole from my friend. Shout out to Dorothy. And basically I just raked it through my hair. I'm not gonna put in any more because I can't. I'm gonna move in with my Miele's Pomegranate and Honey Curl Sculpting Custard for deep definition. I take a good amount of product, as so, and I rake it through my hair. Now I did the same thing with my leave-in conditioner. I took the leave-in conditioner in my palms and I raked it through my hair. And the reason why you want to rake it through your hair and not put it on like this is because you don't want the product just on the top of your hair. You want it all in your coated. You want to coat your strands evenly. So you want it all throughout your hair. And I'm making sure I coat my ends as well, because my ends get very frizzy and like nasty because of my blonde hair. So I like make sure I put product on my ends. What is he singing? So everybody's always asking how I get my hair so defined, how my curls stay, and the key ingredient is gel. This is really the key because it just holds your curls in place after you place all that product on there. So I have this now, and I'm just gonna rake it through my hair like I've been doing all my other products. Nothing special. I still have some gel, but I got so much gel on the floor. Oh my freaking god, my life is a mess right now. My boyfriend's gonna be so mad. This is thriving. I'm doing amazing. So I just finished putting my Eco Styler in, and I'm crunching up my hair like so. And this is the final after putting all my products in one section. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see the curl definition. So for everybody that's gonna come in the comment section saying that my hair looks like ramen noodles, you can exit like now. Still recording, we're still in business, guys. We're back. So I went ahead and did this section off camera. Now I'm just gonna speed through this next section, which is my last section. I'm done with this section. So I'm just put my shirt back over my head, or if you have a towel, put your towel back over your head, or whatever you're using to dry your hair, and you just kind of squeeze it, and you get that extra product off of your hair. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a while, and tomorrow I'm gonna come back to you guys when I blow dry it and I pick it out so you guys can see the finished blow dry hair look and my hair looking how it looks. Hi guys, so I'm coming back to you with my hair somewhat dried. I was letting it air dry, but LA has been raining for 4 days straight, so my hair has been getting wet as I've been going outside to class. So I'm gonna blow dry it some more so it can be fully dry and show you guys this last process. Okay, we're still in business. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the blow drying process because it's just blow drying. It's nothing special. You just want to blow dry your hair until it's dry. So I hate the sound of a blow dryer, so here's my reenactment of the sound of a blow dryer. And now I'm going to do the rest of the blow drying on camera because it would take forever to show you guys me blow drying my hair. Okay guys, now that my hair is mostly blow dried and dry, I think we're at like 95.5, maybe 97.5 with the blow dried. We're going to take some oil, and I have this oil from Mane Choice. And I'm going to put a little on my hair. I don't like to put too much oil in my hair because it makes my face greasy. So I just like to take a little and just kind of rub it on my hair for like some moisturizer. And even this, like, when my hair touches my face, I'm going to look like an oil ball, so I can't do too much. I just don't really like oil in my hair at all. I like to use products with oil. So now that I have the oil in my hair, I'm going to take this pick that I have and pick out my hair for value. I'm going to keep picking like so.
Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'ma fucking rip your face off.
This record player is getting my last one. So I'm just going to keep picking at the roots for value. And I don't really have a set way of doing this. I kind of just go where I feel like needs to have more oomph, yeah. Get the back, get those roots. As you can see, we're already getting big and voluptuous. I like to shake my hair around because that just helps. I don't know why. For me, it just helps my hair just fall into place. So I like to shake my hair around like so. I promise that was not for entertainment. The final look. Dried, picked out, curled and conditioned, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna hit y'all with a montage. So that is it for today, gang. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and until next time, peace to the Middle East. Bye.
Over here. Just you and me. Come on. I just wanted to say thanks. I'm glad you came along. Partner, I want to sing a song just for you. 'Cause you're my special friend. Special friends, special friends. Now that I know you, now that you know me, till the end of time, we will always be special friends.